How to make 5-ingredient coconut chocolate protein bars. Protein, and more protein, a source of sustained energy and muscle building. I was on the hunt for a high-protein bar that could easily be made at home. I'm a big fan of DIY and homemade. I did an online search and came across this DIY protein bar recipe. The magic words were "do it yourself." So I decided to give it a try and was very much impressed with the end result. They taste great, have a good consistency, and are very easy to make. Ingredients: 1/2 cup vanilla whey protein powder, 1/4 cup flaked coconut, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1/4 cup milk, 30 grams dark chocolate, 85% or higher. Instructions: bind the whey protein, flaked coconut, flour, and milk together. The mixture should have a dough-like consistency, enabling you to shape the bars easily. If the mixture is either too moist or too dry, add a little extra flour or milk to get the desired consistency. Break the chocolate into smaller pieces and melt in a bain-marie or glass bowl in the microwave. If using the microwave, heat the chocolate on the lowest setting at short 10–15 second intervals. Stir between each interval to spread the heat evenly. Stirring is essential to allow the chocolate to melt without burning. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the bars. Spread more evenly using the back of a spoon. Place in the fridge for an hour or until the chocolate coating is solid.